in favor of government job. Today in this world, the economy of every nation is changing drastically, and no one is going to estimate what is going to be done tomorrow. That's why I think government job is the only job which can provide security to every person.
Job is not for your security. Job is for the life to survive. So we have to earn money with the help of the private sector.
No one will
In the private sector, we can earn more income than the government jobs. Though the security is there, but we can do many private sector
they are giving travel allowance and so on.
Not only allowances, in the private sectors also there are allowances. But in the government sector, if we join once in the government sector, we cannot retire. We cannot stop. We cannot replace in the government job. But in the private sector, we can replace it, and we can get the promotions according to our talent. And our talent is also used in the private sectors.
We can do the work burden is also less when compared to the private sector. And time also less when compared to the private sector.
In the private sector, how much time you will do it? In the private sector, how much time you will do it? That much time you will earn the income. That much time you will earn the income. How much time you will do the duty? That much time only you will earn. And you can do the overtime duty in the private sector, but you cannot do it in the government sector. So, what the purpose we are doing job is, to survive. To earn the income we are doing the job.
For the government job. Today so many engineers are also applying for the government job only because of
But they are mainly interested to the private sectors as they are getting high salaries to the private sector, and they can all the utilized
government
sector.
sector.
The next why? One more minute is there. Short
Today so many localized people are getting government jobs because of reservations. They are
when we take a decision means that means in private sector we can get more money, and in short span of time we can get more
money
money.
is not important. The development is important in the present scenario.
So that if you want to learn and if you want to earn money a lot, then government job is not a cup of your tea, and if you want to climb the ladder, then you need to.
First of all, safety is made today, but because in present scenario we don't know how to live tomorrow.
A government sector man can earn money in 60 years, means that much money in the private sector man
Money is
can
not
earn in
important
50
in
years.
this criteria. Safety of job is important.
Without money we
don't know how to live tomorrow. So someone happy for our family.
And the government sector members, the private sector members can get more
How can
money.
they survive in the future?
100% satisfaction they can get in the private sector.
By present, suppose taking Telangana as example, there are 1 crore 80 lakhs people are private people. They don't know how to
Satisfaction
educate.
will be
Because of
there in
satisfaction only they are getting jobs.
we cannot.
By getting jobs only the
If we
people
don't want
that
that
they
job, we
children are
cannot go to
getting
the
education.
job. Up to the ending you should be there. If you walk out from the job, you will not get the pension and
Because
everything.
of low-class people
If
getting
you want to leave the job, you can
low-class people getting
leave the job and you can
low-class
go
people
for
getting
other
jobs.
job.
Their children are going to good schools and colleges. Education, they can educate themselves.
Private sector people are living luxuriously and they earn more money. So with that money they can make their children
Actually,
educate
it's not important in this.
No.
If we earn 10,000 in 3 days, then 4th day will be what is it to our family?
But in private sector,
They can't survive.
from here we will from the next
Government job has
we
failed.
can relocate. No. There in the government we can peacefully we can be
If
in
father doing the government job,
private sector.
if father doing the government job, if he will die accidentally, the son will get the government job.
Yes, of course.
He can have the chance to survive
Parents will give the money. Life insurance, everything, funds and even entertainment will be also
But
in the
insurance
private
only
sector.
give the money. That's not the job.
And something
Safety in the
and year action something they'll give for them sector who works, they have more than the knowledge in the government. They sit lazy and they do all the work for 18 hours.
They are participating 2 lakh people for 2000 votes only today. There is a tough competition in the government.